Which is the better hedge for inflation, gold or crypto? Joining us now is Anthony Scaramucci. He is the Skybridge Capital founder, former White House communications director, and a CNBC contributor. It's good to see you this morning.
Good morning, Scott.
Let's start there. I'd like to hit you with a bunch of different topics, but we have had gold come back in vogue, if you will, as the debate on inflation continues to heat up. Does that form some competition again for crypto?
Listen, I'm never going to sell short gold. It's got a 5,500-year history of offering a store of value. But like everything in our society, when you get a technical property where there's a massive improvement, that has a tendency to eclipse things. And so, you know, we had DVDs, Scott, and we moved to Netflix and streaming. The Satoshi Nakamoto white paper basically put us into a new era. And the technical properties associated with Bitcoin are infinitely better than gold. You can move it costlessly. You can store it virtually costlessly. And it has this ledger that is completely missile locked. You know, you can't hack it. And so with 21 million coins and its scarcity, remember, we only have 65% of the gold mined right now. The shortage of supply, the technical properties, I think it's probably going to be 10 times better than gold over a long period of time. But for right now, Bitcoin is pacing what people like Michael Saylor and Cathie Wood are predicting that it will do. It will eventually eclipse gold. It's about a 1.2 trillion market cap today. Gold's roughly 11. But I think Bitcoin gets there, Scott, the same way we're using our smartphone today and not using a rotary phone.
Can they go up together? And I mean, I guess I ask in the same context of looking at, let's say, a Tesla and a Rivian, whether money has to come out of one to go into the other.
Well, I think they can. I think gold will be okay, but it's sort of a flatline situation. Can it go up modestly? Yes, but I think Bitcoin and properties like Ethereum and Algorand are going to go up exponentially. Just because of the scalability, security issues around them. And so, yes, can gold go up? Certainly. If you're going to have 6% inflation, will gold go up? Sure. But I would put my money, and I'm encouraging clients to put their money in Bitcoin. You know, I've been talking about that for the last year, and I think we're just getting started in Bitcoin. So for me, it can go up, but I'm not going to be surprised if Bitcoin goes up at an exponential rate and gold is going up at a linear one.
How big of a problem, since we're speaking about inflation, how big of a problem inside the White House and for the Biden administration is that issue in and of itself?
Well, listen, unfortunately, it is a problem. But as I've said repeatedly, it would have been a problem no matter who was president. This is a situational problem born from the pandemic and the monetary policy inducted by the Fed. So, yes, it's a problem. As Ken Langone said, it's a regressive tax on poor and lower income people. That creates a problem. It creates more economic anxiety in the society, and it creates a greater separation between the haves and have-nots. So certainly it is a problem. But I do believe with the infrastructure bill coming and a gradual improvement in the economy and more people returning back to work, I think that the inflation problem is going to be offset by another big leg up in growth. And I think people are going to be sitting here a year from now or 18 months from now with the pandemic hopefully behind us, feeling pretty good and dealing with the effects of the inflation in a way that's okay because they've experienced the growth associated with all the things that we're doing to boost the economy.